Point of view flip, see life from the other side. Let's think for a moment about changing your point of view. Seeing things from the other side has a great benefit for creative thinking. Here's the key. Think what the other side wants to hear from you. Suddenly you'll see new courses of action in all aspects of life. If you're a parent of a teen kid, remember yourself as a teen, and you'll know what your kid wants to hear from you. If you're in sales, be a buyer. If you're a teacher, think like you did as a student. If you're an employee, think like you're the boss. Be the other side. What do they want to hear you say? Flip your point of view, and get the advantage to view much more creative options. Thinking outside the box is thinking outside yourself.